Imagine waking up to the bustling sounds of the Roman Forum, where merchants cry out to peddle their wares and street vendors serve fresh bread. Curious? Let's step back in time and explore daily life in ancient Rome. Early in the morning, families gather for breakfast. Bread and fruit are a common sight on their tables. Education starts young, with children attending school. They sit on stools learning their letters and arithmetic. As the sun rises higher, citizens head to work. From gladiators training in the arena to senators in togas, discussing important matters, there's always something happening. Daily life in ancient Rome was vibrant, full of activity and culture. So, what would your day look like back then? Think about it and don't forget to explore more about the past.